What's up, YouTube? 2015 Dodge Dart, check engine light on. Customers complaining. No drivability issues, just the check engine lights on. So I'm going to show you what code we have here. It's a very common issue on these. And I'm going to show you, it's an oil pressure code. And I'm going to be replacing this part today too. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Let's go here to diagnostic. It is a very hot day out. And I'm sitting in this car right now with AC and I don't want to get out. And his temperature gauge is wrong. It's like 90 some degrees out. So let's go to system selection here and go to PCM. And we have two codes in this thing. The engine oil pressure sensor circuit low code, and we have the grill shutter performance code. And it does need the grill shutter assembly, but it's kind of expensive and labor intensive, and the guy don't want to do that today. He just wants to fix this code as well because he wants to get his emissions done. And I explained to him that code's probably going to come back before you get your emissions, but you know how it is. You can't tell people things until they have to find out for themselves sometimes. It'll be back. So we got the engine oil pressure, and I'm going to show you the data on this thing. We're going to scroll down to just the oil pressure sensor. See, it's at 103 psi. That's way off. It should not be that high. That's because the sensor is out of calibration. The sensor's working, it's just not reading right. So we're going to cut this car off, and I'm going to show you how to replace this bad boy. Oh, back out into the heat. Fun times. Show you where this bad boy lives. That should be high enough. Turn that wheel out. Give you some light. She is right there. And they put a little locking tab on it. So, let me put some gloves on. There's the switch right here. Well, these gloves ain't wanting to go on too good on my sweaty hands. Get on. Alright, now we gotta try to get that little red locking tab loose. And if we can't, I'll show you another way. Let me get a hook pick. Frickin' Chrysler and their locking tabs on everything. Come on. Ah, we got it. Reach up in there without burning myself and just
press that connector down. We have access.
Huh? Excessive tow. Check the alignment. Alright, you have two options here. You can either get your oil pressure sensor socket, which is a 1 1/16, or you can use a 27 millimeter. Just make sure your 27 millimeter, if you notice, it's got to be kind of deep. It's chromy. Either or fits it just good, just as well. Matter of fact, we'll use it. We'll put me a little adapter on there, turn it into a 3/8. A little extension action here. I don't want nothing too big. Where are all my frickin' 3-inch extensions at? Oh, there they are. Yeah, that's too much. Perfect. We are on it. Now, whenever you take the sensor out, you're going to lose a little bit of oil. But you don't lose enough to have to top it off. Alright. And get her started by hand. That belt sounds good. Get in there. Alright, flip that bad boy the opposite way. Doesn't want to let go of my socket. Give my socket back, fool. Really? Okay, what's that all about? Doesn't want to let go. I'll go and plug her back in. Secure your locking tab. All right. We're good. Now you're going to want to run it down just far enough to where that Teflon crap they put on there to seal it up is not showing anymore. You don't have to bottom it out. You'll feel it starting to get tighter. Like I said, you're not going to lose enough oil. Let me turn this light off to have to top it off. You see the difference in the pressure? Yeah, I know it's fixed. Yeah, that's a big difference from 100 and some PSI, y'all. Let's go ahead and reset this light. Even though it's going to come back on with that grill shutter code, tried to tell them. People think they can just reset their light and go get the emissions done. It doesn't work like that. Cars have got to go through a drive cycle before they're going to pass. Like I said, it'll be back. But we know we fixed the oil pressure problem. Proof's in the pudding, y'all. So I'm going to cut this video off now because I got other things to do. So anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like. And as always, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.